శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతము థర్డ్ స్కంధం, తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. In that process, he is saying that, O Vidura, Sriman Narayana is now saying to Kardama like this. O Kardama, with Devahuti, you will be blessed with 9 daughters, and all great rishis will marry your 9 daughters and will have a very good children. Now, O Kardama, being following my orders and being doing my aradhana, and also while dedicating all of your activities to me, while performing all of your activities as my service, while dedicating all the fruits of your actions to me, finally, Kardama, Mam Prapatsyase, you will attain me, you will reach me. You are the one who will definitely conquer your mind, and you will have a compassion for all the creatures on this earth. You will also understand that I am all pervasive. With that knowledge, you will be able to see me everywhere, and you will be able to see everything in me. O Kardama, I will also take birth from your wife Devahuti's womb with my spark of effulgence. Like that, Paramatma said to Kardama, and then Bhagavan Jagama. Paramatma went back to his divine abode. Kardama was there right next to Saraswati river. There is one pond called as Bindusaras. What it is when Paramatma came down to give his darshanam to Kardama, after Paramatma blessed Kardama, while Kardama is seeing Paramatma, he sat on Garutman. Then Garutman, he moved his wings. From that movement of Garutman's wings, Paramatma let Kardama hear, let Kardama listen Rigvedam, Samavedam. Like that, while blessing Kardama, Paramatma along with Garutman went back to his abode. Then, as and how Paramatma said, Swayambhuva Manu, along with his wife and daughter Devahuti, came down to Kardama Prajapati ashramam in his golden chariot. So, When Paramatma came down to Kardama to give him his darshanam, Srimannarayana felt happy seeing Kardama. When Srimannarayana felt happy, a few of happy tears dropped down from the divine eyes of Paramatma in that pond. Those bindu, that means drops, because Paramatma's tears dropped in that saras, in that pond, that saras name became Tadvai Bindu Saro Nama Sarasvatya Pariplutam. That pond's name became Bindu Sarasu. And around that Bindu Sarasu, Saraswati river will be flowing. And those who gets to see that Bindu Saras, Punyam, Sivamruta Jalam, Maharshi Gana Sevitam, they will attain so much of high amount of merit. Just by seeing that Bindu Saras, all the diseases will be cured. The waters in that Bindu Saras is like nectar. All the Maharshis will be offering their respect to those waters. In the premises of that Bindu Sarasu, Kardama Prajapati's ashramam was there. So from that ashramam, Paramatma went back. Swayambhuvamanu entered into Kardama Prajapati's ashramam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanaastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.